Good mighty morning, gals. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida's Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Scholars, I have a shout out. I have a shout out for all those scholars that are reading. We had another Royal Reader yesterday. I'll be announcing it on the Family Weekly next week. Nice job, scholars. Also, scholars, I have scholars that are doing an amazing job annotating their work. I've seen it in first grade. I've seen it in second grade, third, fourth, fifth. Keep up the good work, scholars. Couple of reminders. Fourth grade scholars, remember, if you're virtual today, you can come by and pick up your test that you'll be taking next Monday. You can come pick up your test you're taking next Monday. Also, scholars, remember, next Friday, March the 5th, there's no school. March the 5th, there's no school on March the 5th. All right, scholars, it's a great day to learn, so have a great day. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!